Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlog, si Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video. Feeling ko talaga kakanta sa laye, di ba? Sa part 3 ata to ng Showtime Online from Jamiel. So, JM De La Serna and Mariel Montellano. Oh my God, mental block ako guys. Sorry, sobrang excited ko kasi. So without further ado, let's all watch this kung anong kakantahin nila dito. Ayan, kakanta na sila. 2020 pa sila. Okay. Oh, ba't kinikilig? Ay, ang ganda ng kanta. After all! After all! Oh my God, I love this song! Okay. Okay.
Here we are again.
Wait lang. First time ba nilang kinanta tong After All? Or may mga nasa Kumu Live or TikTok Live na sila na kinakanta tong After All? Kasi parang naalala ko, may nag-request sa akin. Pero hindi ako sure kung After All ba talaga yun. Diba? Wait lang, ibalik muna natin ang bagya. Kasi alam ko nabitin kayo. Ay, ano ba yan? Ito na.
We tried it on.
No. Hindi yan yung umpisa. Ito na talaga siya. Sorry guys.
Hey,
Pakantahan muna
ladies
tayo.
and gentlemen, please welcome Jamiel.
Let's go, Madlang Onliners. Anong gusto niyo po? Well, here we are again. I guess it must
Ganda.
be.
Ay, mahina pala yung volume ko kanina.
We tried it on our own, but deep inside we know we'll be back to
Feeling ko mag face to face sila dyan mamaya. Okay.
I still remember when
Lamig. Love that.
your kiss was so brand new. Every memory repeats, every step I take retreats,
Okay.
every journey always
Face to face.
leads me back
Face to face. Oh my God, after all.
After all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall.
Ganda.
After all that we've been through, it all comes down to
Lamig.
I guess it's meant to be.
Bagay sa kanila yung kanta.
You and me.
Oh.
After all,
Huwag niyong putulin utang na loob. Huwag niyong putulin. Ituloy niyo yan. Ituloy niyo yan. Ituloy niyo yan.
it's true.
Ba't parang kinikilig sila?
Lives from year to year.
I love the riffs. Okay.
Changes as it goes, oh, and on the way it goes, but never disappears. And after all the stops and stops, we keep coming back to
Wait
these
lang.
two hearts.
Wait lang guys, parang ayoko nang gumawa ng reaction video. But parang ganito, tuwing gumagawa ako ng reaction video sa JBL, natutulala ako na parang ayoko na lang talaga magsalita. Ayoko mag-post, nakakalimutan ko na nakaharap pala ako sa camera. Alam niyo ba yung feeling na ganyan, parang tulali ka na lang. Parang alam mo yung hindi na ito reaction video, nanonood ka lang, something like that. Minsan, alam mo ba, minsan nakakalimutan ko talaga, sumisigaw na lang ako. Yung tipong kinikilig ako talaga, yung sobrang ingay ko na. Kaya ang daming nagko-comment din, ang ingay mo naman, hindi kami makapanood. Guys, this is a reaction video po. Kung gusto niyo mapanood, doon kayo sa original na video talaga, sa YouTube channel. Kasi this one is for Jamiels and other fans as well na ginagawa ko ng reaction video na ma-reach din ang Jamiel na kumbaga makaabot sa kanila kung sino si Jamiel. Kaya nagre-react din ako. So yun lang, pasensya na kayo. Pero dito ngayon, natulala ako for today's video sa After All nila. I really love this song actually. Lalo na ang rendition ni Dennis Villo and Jenny Mercado. Sobrang ganda. Literal.
Two angels who've
Ay, si Mariel nakatingin.
rescued from the fall.
Oh!
After all that we've been through, it all comes down to me and you. I guess guess it's meant to be.
Wow, love that. Okay. Pag wala si Wise, hindi pinuputol yung kanta. Okay.
After all, what else is living for?
Wow, love that.
After all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through,
In love sila. Oh, tingnan mo naman ang itsura ni Mariel. In love sila. Ano, nahulog na ba? Dear, kahit gaano nyo ka-deny, pero pag nakikita ko sa mga mata ninyo at kung magtitigan kayo, wala na. Tapos na talaga ang laban. Pero wag na lang natin silang i-pressure, di ba? That is only my thoughts and opinions, guys. So parang wag nating ipuwersa. Enjoy na lang natin kung anong nakikita natin. For me ha, ini-enjoy ko na nakikita natin. Pero kasi minsan kasi may sariling utak din yung bibig ko na parang alam mo yung kailangan ko talagang sabihin ang aking thoughts and opinions based sa nakikita ko. Ayoko man silang pangunahan, pero naku, dahil the way sila magtitigan, ayoko na lang talaga mag-talk. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, ayoko na lang talaga mag-talk. Yun lang talaga masasabi ko. Charing.
comes down to meet you. I
Yes, it's meant to be.
Forever you and me.
After all the stars and stars, we keep coming back to these two hearts.
Oh, Puli JM.
Just who've been rescued from the fall.
Feel na feel ni JM ang kanta, oh.
And after all that we've been through, it all comes down to meet you.
Oh, love that.
Meant to be.
Love that. I guess it's meant to be. Forever you and me. Exactly. I love that. Hey, okay.
Grabe naman talaga ang Jamiel.
Grabe talaga.
Talaga ang feels kapag
Iba talaga.
Thank you.
Iba talaga.
Nasan gusto niyo po yung madlang online.
Thank you so much sa pagpapakilig sa amin ngayong katanghalian. Dahil
Yes.
dyan, welcome back to Showtime! Almighty!
Anong chika nila dito? Wait lang.
Oh.
Shout out, shout
Kinukuha
out.
yung mga sinasabi natin kanina.
Shout out, shout
As
out.
an emotional interviewer.
Alright,
kinukuha-
there you go guys. That is our for today's video. The Jamiel performs After All. Ang ganda ng kanta. Sobrang ganda. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!